Hey guys, please excuse my screen. I've got like some kind of weird halo effect going on my Mac. Um, yeah, so USDCAD, this is the open for today. It's Sunday. I remember mentioning that I was going to look at the charts at 4 o'clock on Sunday. So here we are, and we gapped up tremendously. So this last green bar is on the 21st, and then as you see on the 23rd, we're forming this bar right now. So I was kind of going to look if there wasn't going to be a gap here, right? I was going to look to actually get into another trade here as a new trade, but it's not happening. So we're back on defense and just kind of waiting here to see what happens. Um, I don't like this. I was really excited by the fact that we were low, but we gapped up. So I gotta ride this gap out, and then I'll probably get out of this if it doesn't drop down soon. Um, yeah, so pretty upset about that, but whatever. All right, peace.